I'm Debbie Banerjee. I'm actually from India. I'm 64 years old. I dance, classical dancer. I love to cook, and sometimes one of my residents, they want to eat Indian food. I cook. So I'm very active for that. Every day I pray and say, thank God for I'm here. All our life we are active. We're doing work, take care of the children, take care of this, take care of that. They have here a lot of activities, art and craft, dancing, singing, I do the painting, so I join the painting, I join the craft, I make the dolls, I make the jewelry, I was participating in a lot of stuff in here. We take all these residents we had a group. We sit down there, we talk there, we in the lobby, we sit down, talk, and it's like a family. Always. It's not feeling lonely. We don't feel lonely.